Hello everybody, my name is Emre and welcome to one new video. In my last ice cream video, everybody asked about the decoration. So this is called Korallenhippe in German. I don't know the English name. This I learned from the Simon chef, from the channel chef stuff. Check his channel, have a cool things there. And today I wanna show you how you can make it at home. So first of all I'm adding 120 ml of water. After 100 ml of oil. And 20 grams of flour. And now mix all of this with one hand blender. And now add it inside to the pan. Then put it after to the kitchen towel. Now is the time when it's still hot, you can make it sweet or salty. And for the yellow color you can put some curcuma on it. Or you can do it also with food color. Another option, I had the beetroot pickles and I didn't throw the juice, and I'm gonna use that one inside of water. So guys, how you see, it's so simple and easy to make eatable decorations. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and see you in next video. Goodbye.